Hi and hello, I am ATHEENAPANDIAN here. You are all well known about ATHEENAPANDIAN is one and only for biomedical engineers. We are providing much amount of details, knowledge and everything about healthcare to the biomedical engineers. That is our main duty actually. So on the equipment we are sharing the knowledge on the particular equipment through online also we are able to sharing the knowledge. So main motto is everyone can able to learn about biomedical engineering during the studies itself. So our future plan is in Athena Pandian Private Limited. They are going to introduce so many courses, especially for the welfare of the biomedical engineers, artificial intelligence, machine learning, bioprinting, prosthetic technology, then Python programming, and then you can robotics engineering, medical robotics. All the benefactory will come to you very soonly. So keep on watching as keep watching. Biomedical is for Athena Pandian, and Athena Pandian is one and only for the biomedical engineers.